So we are coming next week to the end of the first unit, and you'll see that in week 4. So what I want to kind of spend a little bit of time at the end is to talk about the unit assessment and also just make sure that everybody understands how the grading rubric will be. So if you remember at the beginning of the unit, I told you the first thing that you'll always see in the first week of every unit, first thing is always the unit planner. And I'm bringing this up because we talked about how the grading rubric is down here, right? So it has what you'll be able to do, and then it has what are you able to do at a B level in a column, what are you able to do in an A level in a column, and then here at the end of the comments are just mostly for myself, but also then you'll see when you take the assessment that if you miss, B level question 1, it's the first question on the test, then I'll know that this is what you need to work on. So, and what you'll get, let's go back to the course page, is after you take the assessment, I will upload to where it says Unit 1 Grading Rubric, a document that will just be for you. So it will be your rubric. So it'll have your name here, right? This is Advanced Math 1, and then the date that you take it. And if I highlight these things, so you'll see it highlighted, that means that you have it and it's done correctly. And let's say that on this transformations, you missed this question 2. So what I'll do over here is I'll highlight this, and then I'll put some comments here, what you need to do. Usually what I do at the end is, let's say that was the only one that wasn't met, so you got all the other questions correctly, and then, what I'll do up here is I'll say Unit 1 equals a P, so for, what was that, TSW, that was TSW 4, you need to ... and I'll be very specific for what you need to do. Sometimes it's just to explain your mistake. And if it's very little, I might ask you to explain what needs done. And so you'll get, when I submit this here, you'll get an email showing you what you need to do. And if you need to upload anything, then you can upload it right to this document to help you finish. And it's when there's a passing grade here, which means passing grade means a B or an A, that's what's going to unlock the next unit for you. All right, so remember that, we don't grade on percentages. Mr. P went over that with you, and Moodle will like to, in your grade book, you might see percentages and you might see, it might spit out A's, B's. It kind of does its own thing sometimes, but the grade that's put here is the grade that's going to go on your status report and or transcript. All right, and I really want to make sure that you feel comfortable knowing how you're being graded, and if you feel confused at all, please ask questions.